pollinator-friendly gardening design and pollinator-friendly flower and plant selection. Welcome to our garden. Last summer, we converted our grass lawn by sheet mulching. Now we have a thriving ecosystem filled with vibrant colors, delicate fragrances, and a symphony of buzzing bees, fluttering butterflies, and hummingbirds. Today, we'll look at the flowers, plants, and trees in our garden. We'll see the crucial role of native pollinator plants and why they are essential for our environment. These stunning native pollinator plants are more than just a feast for the eyes. They are the lifeblood of our ecosystem, supporting a diverse array of wildlife and promoting biodiversity. Bees, like these hardworking ones, are some of the most important pollinators. They visit flowers in our garden in search of nectar and, in the process, transfer pollen from one bloom to another, enabling plants to produce fruits and seeds. Butterflies rely on specific native plants for nectar and as host plants for their caterpillars. The connection between butterflies and native plants is a delicate dance of coexistence. And let's not forget our vibrant hummingbirds. They play a crucial role in pollination by sipping nectar from tubular-shaped native flowers, their long bills ensuring pollen transfer. Native plants' root systems prevent soil erosion, which helps maintain water quality in our rivers and streams. Native plants have evolved alongside local wildlife for centuries. This means they provide the best food sources and habitat for beloved pollinators and other animals. Native plants often require fewer pesticides, contributing to healthier ecosystems and reducing our reliance on harmful chemicals. So what can we do to support native pollinator plants? It's simple. Start by planting native pollinator plants in your own garden. Choose a variety of species to ensure a continuous supply of nectar throughout the seasons. See the description below for a list of examples. We have also identified the plants on screen. Support local conservation efforts and organizations dedicated to preserving native plant habitats. Join or initiate community gardening projects that focus on native pollinator plants, creating green spaces that benefit both nature and people. So there you have it, our not so well manicured garden, but a habitat for the birds, butterflies, and bees. The native pollinator plants are the backbone of a healthy, vibrant ecosystem. By planting and protecting them, we can ensure a thriving environment for generations to come. thank you for joining us in celebrating the beauty and importance of native pollinator plants. Together, we can all make a difference. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this episode.